Hello everyone, Zoe again here with WeShipFloors.com, showing you another new color in our linear design. The other colors we have in the same pattern is called Symmetry and Honeycomb. This one is Grandeur, marked by SPC044X. That is the Extreme 30 mil wear layer, commercial rated. So this one's more in the khaki driftwood gray colors. I know I'm gonna have a lot of people wanting to know the difference between Symmetry and this one. Symmetry is more of a medium cool gray. So if you like the design of Symmetry but you want it to have a more warm effect, then Grandeur is the answer for you. It has nice variation, however, the video is showing it much more contrasted than it really is. We do have some photos that are on our website that I believe will show this more true. It is just a straight linear design, kind of like a straight grain, high quality hardwood. People pay a lot of money to get hardwood to look like this. But now we have the waterproof SUPERCore, so you can have the look without the worry or the expense. So we've just now got this on the website. Sample button is there for you. If you'd like to request some samples of this, please go ahead and get on our website under that model number SPC044X. Take you right to the page. And as always, we're here to help. Please reach out to us, 844-356-6711. Let us know what you think about this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.